In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to perform a chroma key style effect in Inkscape. Now keep in mind that Inkscape is a vector design tool, not a dedicated video editor. Because of this, it does not have a one-click magic button for background removal. Instead, we are going to use the powerful Trace Bitmap feature to create a precise mask that hides your background. If you find these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more creative design tutorials. Let's jump right in. To start, open your project and import your green screen image by going to File, then Import, or just press Ctrl+I on your keyboard. Once your image is on the canvas, make sure it is selected using the Selection tool, which is the S key. Now with the image selected, go to the top menu, click on Path, and then select Trace Bitmap, or simply use the shortcut Shift+Alt+B. This opens the Trace Bitmap panel. In this menu, click on the Multicolor tab and select Colors from the drop-down list. You will need to set the scans to a low number, usually between 3 and 5 is perfect to isolate that green background as a distinct layer. Make sure you check both the Remove Background and the Stack options, then click Apply. Once the process finishes, you will see a vector version of your image appear on top of your original. Drag this new vector group away to inspect it. Press Ctrl+Shift+G to ungroup the elements and carefully delete all the layers until you are left with just the one that perfectly outlines either your subject or the green background. If you decided to keep the subject shape, place it exactly over your original JPEG. If you kept the background shape instead, place it over your JPEG, select both, and navigate to Path, then Difference, or use the Ctrl+- shortcut to create a hole where the subject sits. Finally, select both the original JPEG and your perfectly tailored mask, then go to Object, then Clip, and finally Set. If you want to use a custom shortcut for this, you can set it to Ctrl+M. Now, if you notice the edges are looking a bit jagged, simply select your mask path and use Path, then Simplify, or press Ctrl+L before applying the clip. One important note, this method works best with high contrast green screens. If your subject has green clothing or reflective surfaces, the trace might create unwanted holes in your subject. In those complex cases, I recommend using the Bezier tool, the B key, to manually trace the subject for a much cleaner look. Remember, you can always release your clip using Alt+M if you need to make further adjustments. If this video helped you conquer green screen removal in Inkscape, do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.